So yeah, I focus on sustainability of key ingredients and foodstuffs. So sustainability is a key driver of consumer behaviour and the consumer appetite for more plant-based diets. So there's a lot of synergies and linkages between health and sustainability. Organic isn't necessarily sustainability in and of itself. There are lots of environmental and social and economic factors that we need to bear in mind from a sustainability perspective. So environmental around greenhouse gas emissions, water use, biodiversity loss, the way we use fertilisers and pesticides, social around living conditions, working conditions, a fair wage, and from an economic perspective, paying a fair wage for smallholder producers. All those three things are important. There's always trade-offs, but I think you really have to take a holistic look at this and look at where there are more win-wins rather than win-lose situations. So there's always going to be a trade-off, but generally more plant-based diets are better from a planetary and human health perspective. And you really need to look at the sourcing of your key ingredients and understand where and how they're sourced and try and work to address some of those sustainability impacts. Consumers expect it, but there are international agreements around climate change, emission reductions. Food has a role to play in that. There are biodiversity conventions, so the destruction of the Amazon that we're witnessing over the last few weeks is driven by the food choices we make, so there's more expectations on governments and businesses to take action to address some of those impacts.